Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow response in ChatGPT. If you are experiencing delays when asking a question, there is a quick step you can try to improve your performance. First, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and choose Logout. Confirm the logout and then click the login button to sign back into your account. Simply logging out and back in can sometimes resolve the issue. If that doesn't work, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser and scroll down to Settings. From the left hand menu, select Privacy and Security. Then choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to check the box next to cookies and other site data. Set the time range to all time and click Clear Data. Once that is done, return to ChatGPT and see if it performs better. If it's still slow, open a browser and search for ChatGPT server status. Click on the top result, which is status.openai.com, and check whether all systems are operational. If there is ongoing maintenance, you will need to wait for it to be resolved. If everything is running fine, another solution is to open a new incognito window. Click the three dots again and select New Incognito Window. Then go to the ChatGPT website and try using it from there. This often helps bypass any cached data or extensions that might be interfering. Let me know in the comments which method works for you, and I will see you in the next one.